Do you need an emergency garage door repair? Maybe you're thinking of extra security for your garage. You're stuck outside in the rain because the roller has come off its tracks. The remote has decided to stop working. We can help. Garage Door Expert, a local family business that offers emergency door repair and new door installation service. We are approved installers, fully trained with over 30 years experience. You can trust us to fix your garage door. We offer free estimates for all types of garage doors and garage door repairs. Visit our website www.garagedoorexpert.co.uk for expert advice and service you can count on.